with Not Too Shabby. We are on day one for sneak peeks for our August box of the month. It's called Adventure Awaits. I have a little s'mores theme going on right here. So cute. I'm going to share the stamp, the paper pad, the coordinating ephemera. So this is in your box of the month for August. Teresa will be on the YouTube channel tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time, sharing the other collection in the box. You are able to purchase the paper and the ephemera separately on the website, so you can get your hands on that if you love this paper collection. So we have Let's Have S'mores for our paper collection. We have Happy Camper for our stamp set. And then for the ephemera, it's also called S'mores Please. Let's go ahead and take a look at the paper first, and then we'll take a look at the coordinating ephemera pack. For our clubs, you can join monthly and save 18% off, or you could purchase them as a one-time purchase. You'll find our clubs under the subscription section in the shop. You get 4 of each design. We got some polka dots on the back. We have a cute gingham in brown. We've got some cute little images of graham crackers and marshmallows covered with chocolate. You got your campfire. And then this pattern here looks like little sprinkles. We have a nice brown with chocolate little hearts. And then we've got chocolate bars on the other side. Yummy s'mores with little pieces of chocolate and hearts. And then a nice stripe in a light beige. We've got little polka dots in this, like a creamy yellow. And then the little s'mores on the back with a gingham. I'm gonna play some music while I lay out all the ephemera pieces for you. Okay, so lots of cute images to make some cute cards. You'll see the coordinating dies for all the stamp sets from the box of the month on the website. So this die here will cut out all the sentiments and the images. So let's take a closer look at the stamp set. We've got Let's Get Toasted, Happy Camper, Making S'mores Memories, and we've got some cute little s'more images. We also have this little sentiment down here, S'more Than Friends. We've got a little marshmallow with a happy face, one with like burnt on the top, or you could have that like chocolate. We've got the fire pit and a little s'more sandwich, and then your single graham cracker and your chocolate, and a little stick with your marshmallow poked through, and a s'mores sandwich. So really, really cute. These images are easy to color. You'll need minimal colors to color them. So let's make a card today. I grabbed some reds and oranges. I have R17, R08, and YR16 for my fire. Let's throw a little bit of yellow in there. I grabbed E18, E17, and E15. For my graham cracker, I'm doing E15, E13, and E11. I am using the Easy Wonder Die #1 add-on by itself. This die has great shapes in here. I'm going to use a larger square and a smaller square from this set and the circle. I'm going to add a little bit of ink to the sides of my sentiment here, kind of like it's toasted. I'm going to have that right there, and then this on the bottom. Let's add this panel. We're going to put our squares on a little bit wonky. We're going to angle this top one. And then we'll angle the bottom one. We'll have our circle over here. And then we'll decide what we want over here. We can do a little campfire and our little s'more image, like that. Maybe pop up a little smiley face somewhere. We'll pop this one up. We'll pop up our little smiley face too. Okay, I kind of like the layout like that. Let's add our little marshmallow friend. And then our s'mores sandwich. There we go. And now we can add some enamel dots. I'm going to use the little cute hearts that are in the ephemera to add right here between my marshmallow and my sandwich. I think that looks really cute like that. And I'm going to take my Nouveau Glaze and shine the heart up. From the Coffee and Cream enamel dots, I'm going to use this color here. It matches really, really nicely. So here's the completed card. I think it turned out super, super cute. Meet us back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another peek. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys!